Welcome to SAT School. In this video, I'll explain how you can immigrate to Canada through Saskatchewan Immigration Nominee Program (SINP). You have to just score 60 points out of 100 to apply under this program. There are 3 international skilled worker subcategories: International Skilled Worker, Employment Offer, International Skilled Worker, Saskatchewan Express Entry, International Skilled Worker, Occupations in Demand. In this video, I'll explain on International Skilled Worker, Occupations in Demand. First thing first, why to apply under this program? Under this program, you don't need a job offer in Saskatchewan. You only need CLB Canadian Language Benchmark 4. You can even get score at the age of 50. There are 5 selection factors: education and training, skilled work experience, language ability, age, connections to the Saskatchewan job market, and family. You can score maximum of 23 points from education and training. Under that, master's or doctorate degree 23 points, bachelor's degree 20 points, trade certificate 20 points, 2 years diploma degree 15, and 1 year certificate 12 points. Point to be noted: if you have education outside of Canada, you must submit an educational credential (ECA) from a designated organization. I have a separate video on Educational Credential Assessment (ECA). Please click the I button above and watch that video for details. You can score maximum of 15 points from skilled work experience. If you have 10 years of experience, you will score 15, 9 years 14, 8 years 13, 7 years 12, and so on. You can score maximum of 20 points from language proficiency. Remember, IELTS GT only, for CELPIP GT only, and for French TEF. You need at least CLB Canadian Language Benchmark 4. For CLB 8 or higher, you can score 20 points, and so on. Here is the comparison between CLB and IELTS. You can score maximum of 12 points from age. From 18 to 21 years, you can score 8 points. 22 to 34 years, 12 points, and so on. If you have close family members in Saskatchewan, you can get 20 points. And you can score past work experience in Saskatchewan 5 more points. For past students' experience in Saskatchewan 5 more points. Now, how to apply under this program? First thing first, to apply under this program, you must submit an expression of interest (EOI). Now, what is expression of interest (EOI)? It is a pre-application process to fill out a form to show your interest in applying to this program. If you are eligible, you will receive an invitation to submit an application. Point to be remembered: those with high scores will have a greater chance of being invited to apply. Another important thing is your skilled work experience. You must have a minimum of 1 year of full-time paid work experience, that is, minimum 30 hours per week in a skilled occupation, over 10 years related to your field of education. To get all the information in details, go to your browser and type saskatchewan.ca. This is the official website of Saskatchewan government. Now, click on How to apply to SINP. Then, click on International Skilled Worker Program SINP. Click on Assess your eligibility to see the selection factors. Here, you can see the score for your education, work experience, language ability, age, close relatives in Saskatchewan, past work experience in Saskatchewan, and past education. If you click on International Skilled Worker, Occupation in Demand, you can see your eligibility criteria. To know detail on Expression of Interest (EOI), please click here. Here you can get idea on how to create your EOI profile, how the EOI system works, and how EOI candidates are ranked. Your work experience must be in a high-skilled occupation. NOC, O, A, or B, that is considered to be in demand in Saskatchewan at the time of your application. For that, you can click here. To check your work experience under NOC, National Occupation Classification, click here. Here, you can search by title or NOC code. For example, if I type here Financial Manager, here you can see NOC code 0111 and job title Financial Managers. Under Profile, you can see the examples of job title and the main duties performed by them. Again, if I type nurses, you can see the NOC code 3012 and job title. Under Profile, you can see the example titles and the main duties. So, make sure your job title are listed in NOC, that is National Occupation Classification. Once you have at least 60 points from all the selection factors, You can create your profile by submitting Express of Interest EOI. This much for today. Good luck to you all. I'll see you in next video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.